What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. So, as you all know, Sifiso Meiwa was one of the first people, to call out Brigadier Kininda over his investigations. Sifiso Meiwa, he stood by his position, that what Brigadier Kininda is doing, is not the right thing, and he arrested the wrong people, etc. So it turned out as if, Sifiso Meiwa was just talking something that he doesn't know about. But right now he is being proved correct, through this corroboration of evidence that is coming via Absolum Zungu. So Zungu, has distanced himself from Brigadier Kininda and has labeled everything that Kininda was doing as criminality. So looking at it and returning back, you can see that Sifiso Meiwa knew exactly what he was talking about. So what this likely means for someone like Sifiso Meiwa is that this is something, that is most likely going to be strengthening him, because sometimes, when you speak by yourself, and you get even doubted, by people like, for example, the Afro Forum, they actually told the Meiwa family, that Kininda is a strong case against the five accused. So you may even begin to doubt yourself. But now, when you have people like Absalom Zungu coming out, and clearly stating, that he knows nothing, about whatever Kininda was doing, it sort of like strengthens Sifiso Meiwa's position, to say, I knew what I was talking about, I was correct, So this is like an important moment, for someone like Sifiso Meiwa. I'll catch you guys on the next one.